how you can add iPad or tablet frame to your Figma project. So I'm going to use Mac app, but you can also do it on browser version or Windows. So all you need to do is to open your Figma project, and once you are here at the bottom, the second option, you can click this little icon and it's going to open you these options. It's going to look like this. So we want to click on tablet. If you want to use keyboard shortcut, you don't have to click this, but press F on your keyboard and then you can choose tablet. And I want to add iPad mini, or you can also iPad Pro. You can select exact inches or iPad Pro, the bigger one. So choose one of these, double click it, and this is the frame of iPad, and you can customize it like you want and do whatever you want. So if you have any questions, leave a comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.